Hey guys, what's up? A lovely good morning to everyone. Welcome back my channel, The Learning Destinations. I'm your host Avinash, and today I'm going to conduct the sessions about cloud formation, and I try to finish it within 15 minutes. So within 15 minutes, we will catch up each and every phases of cloud formations, guys. So just stay tuned and enjoy this journey of cloud formations with Learning Destinations and with Avinash. Hey guys, one more request. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. Alright guys, so now I'm going to give you a little bit brief about how cloud formation actually works. So before I give the brief on the cloud formations, let me give you one example. Let's suppose that guys, you have a task to provision one EC2 instance and RDS instances, right? So how will you do that? Generally, you will directly jump into the EC2 sections where you will provision the EC2 instance, and simultaneously same you do with the RDS instances, right? But it's all going to be a manual task that's going to be consume your time, right? The second way is that you can write simply the Terraform script and you can provision the your instances, right? So that is also the good practice, right? But how about if I say that everything you can write just simply by 3-4 lines in codes, and you prepare one templates, and by using that you can provision all your instances within just one clicks, right? So exactly the same, guys. The cloud formations gives the facility to provision your instances using the template files. Okay, so now let me brief you how exactly it works. So basically you need to write the template, right? So there are two ways. Either you can write in YAML or JSONs, or there is already sample file, sample template is already being provided by the cloud formations that you can also use. Once template is ready, then after that you can simply upload this template to the S3 bucket, or while creating the stack inside the cloud formation, you can simply select it from your locals file as well. It means you can simply place it inside the document or any other folder in your laptop, right? And you can simply select it. After that, it create the stack. It means that, let's suppose that you have written the template and where you are provisioning one EC2 instance and the RDS instances, right? So after that, using the API, the cloud formation basically will spin up those instances, those resources which you have given instructions in the template. And after that, your provisioned resources will be configured and provisioned in the particular environment. So this is how about the cloud formations overall worked, guys. Hey guys, so now time to let's talk about that why we should choose the cloud formations, guys. There are various reasons. The main category which I defined here, first is quick start. AWS CloudFormations is a service that helps you to set up AWS resources in less time, so you can more focus on application. Guys, if you remember the earlier which I had given you the example, like when you have to create the manual resources, right, it's going to be take a time, right? So it's better simply you can just draft one template, right, and within couple of lines, and you can simply just provision your resources, right? So that's why that the cloud formations gives us the facility for quick start. The second one is the simplified infrastructure management. Either you can build and use your own customized template, or you can use pre-built template for provisioning and configuring of resources. Guys, as I mentioned that there are facility available. You can simply just write your codes of provision of your resources inside the JSON or the YAML, or you can use the pre-built template which is being provided from the cloud formations as well. Okay, that's we are going to see in the practical sessions where I'm going to use one pre-built template file. Okay, then apart from that, it's easily control and track of your changes. Guys, let's suppose that you need to your some of the environment is running on the auto scaling, with the auto scaling, right? In such cases, you have to, in some of the time, you have to scale down or scale up your system's infrastructure, right? So in such cases, when you make the changes, there may be requirement that there are 2-3 changes that you need to do simultaneously inside the auto scaling group. Those who have already performed the auto scaling group, those who knows about it, right? So it's hard to remember each and everything if I perform the task manually. But if you write and if you provision your infrastructure through the cloud formations, since you have written the code, you exactly know that where I need to perform the changes. And that's why I notified here. It's easy to control and track of your changes, guys. Okay guys, so now let's return back on the practical sessions, and currently I'm going to perform the practical sessions of the cloud formations, and I am under the AWS console, and you need to search it here, the cloud formations. You can search it from here, cloud formations, and once you landed on this page dashboard will be looking like this, something its looks and feel is like this. Okay, after that you need to create the stack, and once you create the stack there is different facility available. So one is template is ready. It means that if you have your own template and you have uploaded it on the AWS S3 bucket, so you can choose it from here by defining the URL of Amazon S3 bucket. And if it is placed under your computers, right, so you can simply select this upload a template file, right, and when I click here it gives us facility to select that particular template from my computer. Okay, so but I'm not going to use any of those. As I mentioned that I'm going to already use the pre-built template which is being provided from the CloudFormation site. So I'm going to use, there are various templates, you can see that, right? So I'm going to use one WordPress blog. So I select here and then I see next. So you can see that this particular the template is already by default it placed under this S3 bucket, which is placed by the cloud formations itself. Say I say next, right, and after that I say stack name. So I am going to give it name my tech blog, and after that the DB name. Here you need to set the password of your MySQL DB. So I am going to give the password. After that DB user, right, so I'm going to give it the DB username. Here you can select the instance type, and since this is just for educational purpose, so T2 small or T2 even the T2 micro is also okay. Anyway, after this practical sessions I'm going to delete this, so it won't be I mean it is okay to select the T2 small, right? So you need to define here the instance, and if you are using particular for the production, so you can choose the instance flavor according to your need, right? After that the sections come key name, right? So this is required because basically when you create the stack, basically it generates the EC2 instances where your resources is running. So in future if you need to log in on that particular EC2 instance, right, so then you need to have this key available. That's how you can log in on that particular EC2 instance, right? So in my case it is already should be exist. Let me select it here. If I search Jenkins, let me refresh it. Let me just feel everything once again. WordPress blog. Here it come, and okay, so these are the same detail which I filled earlier, and I just refreshed the page because this my keys was not visible here, and that's why I just refresh it and I say next. After this is the SSH locations which I keep. Okay, so I forgot to give the name here, my tech blog. Yeah, so I was talking about this IP. So for SSH, I just allowed each and every IP as of now. Okay, and after that, this options, if you have some IAM role, you want to restrict some access, right? You can use it. Otherwise, just go and click on next. Right, after that, here you can review all your configurations and then you say create stack. So parameter DB password failed to satisfy. Okay, so I need to edit this DB password here because only the alphanumeric you can use. Let me mention once again. And DB user. Let me try again. Okay, I forget to select the particular this one. So let's try it again. Next, and create a stack. So now you can see that the stack is getting created. It's going to be take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So I'm just pausing this video. Once it is created, then I will be back. Okay guys, so now the stack has been successfully created. You can check the status, and let me go there. Let me click here. Okay, and you can see under the event section, so these are the evented. Some of has been already completed and some of are already in progress, so which will be completed in some time. But anyway, I guess if I'm good, we are good to access this WordPress site, and you need to go to outputs here, and here is the website URL, right? So you can simply click over here, and here you need to give the site title, right? So I am going to give the same my tech blog, and username I'm going to put admin, and the password I'm going to put something red hat, and confirm. Okay, it's a weak password, it is just for testing. I'm going to give my email address here and install WordPress. So now it's time to log in. Let's log in. The admin and the password is red hat. So bingo guys, let's see, now we are completely inside the dashboard, inside the WordPress blog, and you can see that this is my tech blog WordPress site, and which is hosted on the CloudFormations, which has been created from the CloudFormation. It means that this is the stack where currently our this site WordPress site is running. So this is all about that, how you can simply just in simple 3 to 4 clicks you can set up entire your configurations. Okay, so this is pretty much easy, and let me just take you to the EC2 sections as well, and where you can see that one EC2 instances T2 small is running. I think internet is a bit slow today. So here it is. Okay, so EC2 dashboard. Let's go to EC2 dashboard, and you can see one instance is running. Let me click here. So guys, this is the EC2 instance where this site is currently running. This WordPress site is running on this particular EC2 instance. So guys, you have seen that I haven't created any manual EC2 instances, any database. Everything has been managed by the CloudFormations stack, right? So I just use the pre-built template, and after that everything magically, dramatically happens by the CloudFormations itself. So this is the beauty of CloudFormations, guys, and this is how the CloudFormations actually works. So this is all about the CloudFormation, guys, which I wanted to show you, and now I understand that I believe that your concept towards the CloudFormation is pretty much clear. Hey guys, so now I believe that you are feeling like the same. Yeah, it's so easy guys to do this CloudFormation. Yeah, so now you are master of CloudFormation. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, play with the CloudFormation. Just launch different blog site, play with it. There are many more to do, and you can perform each and everything. And while doing this, if you face any queries, don't forget to write me in the comment sections. I will help you each and every step. So stay tuned with the learning destination. That's all for the day from my side. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till the time, thank you so much for watching this. And guys, somehow if you think that I'm bringing some valuable lesson for you, then please thank me by clicking the like button and subscribing button, guys. I really need your support, guys, in subscribing, because apart from my various good contents, I have really very less subscriber, guys. So please help me over there. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you next week. Till the time, thank you so much. You have a good day.